Good morning, guys! Happy Saturday! And we are... Where are we?
Safe.
Yeah. Dito tayo for the kids' holiday party! Are you excited? Uy, 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 uy.
I feel French. Dad, Dad. Hey, I didn't get to... Yes, I feel cringe.
Meron kaming complimentary parking. Isa to sa parking lot. Meron parang designated parking lot. Kaso full na. Kaya, we had to park somewhere at the back of this building. Medyo mas malayo. Kaya naka-heels pa man din ang lola nyo. Yung snow naman is natutunaw-tunaw na. Yun nga lang, nagpuputik-putik tsaka nagpapada. Yun yung di maganda. Kaya, I'm excited. May photo booth. Sabi ko, papapicture kami para meron kaming Christmas photo. Family Christmas photo. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a lot of holiday craft rooms. Okay.
Sorry.
Later pa.
Where are we going? Why didn't we go there? Sorry.
Why is it? Leave my coat. Oh, you can pick up your gifts there. You have to line up. Yeah. Come out. Yay. Okay, go, go.
Now?
Yeah. Go.
I guess so.
How old are you guys? 9?
Oh, twins? 2 9-year-olds.
Woo. What do you say, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a hot chocolate bar. You wanna go and line up? Zeb, go. Oh, there's fresh vanilla, Zeb. See? Oh, there's a daddy, may dark roast, Starbucks dark roast coffee. Huh? Wait. There's also face painting here, and then may pang balloons. How is your French vanilla?
With marshmallows and gingerbread. That's crushed candy cane.
It's candy cane, huh? Okay, tell me what you put in your...
I got French vanilla. I put whipped cream, marshmallows. I also put some gingerbread flavoring and toasted marshmallow flavoring.
You didn't put caramel syrup?
No.
Okay. I'm having cafe mocha, and Daddy ordered the Starbucks dark roast. Yeah, we want to try that thing.
No, wait, what?
Never done it? No, but I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
I'm
No, you can get one now. Get one for me and one for you.
No, with the
Excuse me? Ooh, cheese. Wait, don't use your hand. You have to put on the plate. Oh, tacos thingy. We're eating na. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung ibang food. Okay, they're gonna do the activities na, the cookie decorating, and yeah. Go! guys, we're going home. Mag-aalauna. The party is until 2, but the food is until 1. So, nagawa na nila lahat ng activities na meron. So, we're going na. Busog na rin to go for seconds. I cannot. Kaya, dito yung building ko kapag yung 6 to 9 ko na class na gabi. First time in my 4 semesters na may klase ako dyan sa building na yung very unusual. Kasi, ano siya, automotive, Clayton Carroll Automotive Center. So, usually, yung mga nasa automotive na program, dyan yung building nila. So, ang weird na may klase ako dyan na panggabi. Ewan ko kung bakit dyan nilagay. Anyway, nagyayaya pa sa mall itong si Zeb doon lang naman sa mall sa tapat namin, so we'll see. Okay, you're here na sa Sunridge. May pinapabiling Lego si Zeb Gavin. Ay, nasagalan pa ako. Hindi na pwede sa pang matagalang heels talaga. Stop over tayo sa Macau Imperial Tea. Let's get some bubble tea. Where's Kuya? He's missing.
He just blended in.
Oh my gosh.
I wish I could just go here.
We are home. Really yarn. We got, okay, si Zach is winter melon cheesecake. Yeah, winter melon cheesecake. Tapos ako is the black sugar milk tea. Naiihit na ako. And let's bring, sabi ko ilalagay ko yung mga gifts na na nakuha nila kanina kasi kagabi nagput up na kami ng Christmas tree kasi late na kami, guys. December, ano ngayon today? 7? December 6 lang ako ng Christmas tree. Sobrang busy. And kasi nga diba nag-mall kami. Kahapon tinatanong ako ni Daddy anong gusto kong Christmas gift. Binigyan ko siya ng wishlist. Prepared. Nag-ano ako ng wishlist ko like few days ago. Like, tinuruto talaga sa cellphone ko yung may links, ganyan. And this is what I decided on. Tada! The New Balance na 327s. I got the original colorway or the basic one para madaling ternohan. Although medyo type ko din yung pink kasi yun nga hindi siya pang universal sa lahat ng outfit. So hindi ko alam, ibabalot ko pa ba to? Lalagay ko ba siya sa ilalim ng Christmas tree? We'll see. Pero iihi muna ako, guys. Iniihi na ako. Bumili rin pala kami ng waffle. Yan, si Zeb ay cheese dog. Ayaw niya hindi siya mahilig sa bubble tea. Merienda. Dami ka lang gawin, guys. May assignment pala ako na due today. Hindi ako aware. Ay. Hey guys, mag-aalas 8 na, grabe naman. Pero, if may isi-share ako isang accomplishment sa inyo, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, pero, cleared na ang ating labahan. Matanti kasi Cookie daw. Hey Cookie. Gustong-gusto niya nagtatago dito. With the met or without. Matambay siya dyan. You see yourself? You see yourself? Grabe guys, hindi enough to. Actually, gabundok yan. Tatapos natin today. Finally, I've been putting it off for weeks. Because I've been so busy. But, yun. I'm gonna try to edit the vlogs that I've had this week. Siguro tatlo o I think ito yung pangatlo. Today is the third vlog na backlog ko na. So, I need to edit. And then, tomorrow, Sunday, may pasok kasi si Daddy. Natatapos siya ng 4. May mass ng gabi. 6 o'clock. Pero nga, 4:30, madilim na kasi ngayon. So, parang alam mo yun, pag madilim na tamad ng lumabas. So, I was thinking, depende sa weather tomorrow, is either kami ng mga bata magsisimba or baka ako na lang. Pag masyadong malamig, baka hindi ko na sila isama kasi magko-commute lang kami. So, yun. Pero, the thing is, I need to prepare their lunch bago ako makasimba. Merong 12 noon na mass. So, probably sa 12 noon. We'll see. Pero kasi kung kasama kayo mga bata, we can just eat outside. Pero si Daddy pala walang kakainin. Let's see. And finals week na, guys. Next week is finals week. Yung sa akin, so Monday to Wednesday, wala na akong ibang gagawin kundi mag-aral. Kasi Thursday, I have 2 final exam. Well, sasabihin ko sana accounting, pero lahat kasi ng finals ko is accounting. Ang masaklap lang, meron akong 6 to 9. 6 to 9 ng gabi, final. So, meron akong 12 to 3, tapos 6 to 9. Tapos, the next day, ng 8 o'clock in the morning, meron ulit, which is yung financial accounting na mas, parang, for me, is yung pinakamahirap na accounting. Yung management accounting, which is yung Thursday ko, medyo okay pa eh. Yung financial accounting talaga, ako naloloka. Ang dami tatandaan. So, kaya, since meron akong 6 to 9 ng Thursday ng gabi, I don't have enough time to study for the 8 o'clock na test na mahirap. So, sabi ko, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, lalagari ako sa pagre-review, pag-aaral of yung management accounting, yung financial accounting, yung panggabi, medyo okay pa yon, but we'll see. Tapos, ang susunod or pinaka-last na finals ko is sa Monday naman. So, I have Saturday, Sunday for that. I have Saturday and Sunday to study for that, which is financial management or finance management. Isa ding mahirap yon. So, yun. Kawawa naman yung brain cells ko niya next week. Sobrang sobrang tuyot. But I'm looking forward to that. Ang mas pa kasi yung Monday, parang meron kaming sort of one-on-one with yung boss namin. Well, so work-related. Ang test namin sa Monday next week, yung pinaka-last day is 12 o'clock. Pero at 9 or 9:30, meron kami parang one-on-one plus get-together. Parang Christmas party namin on our own ng team namin sa International Center. Yung boss ko, tapos kaming mga office assistants niya, meron kaming celebration. So, 9:30 to 12 yun. So, 12 yung test ko. Or actually, 9:30 to 11:45. So, 12 o'clock yung test ko. We're not naman required to stay until 11:45. Ang importante is magawa namin yung one-on-one. Tapos, meron lang kami mini celebration. May pagkain daw, ganyan. Pero, I can leave naman if I'm done na. Pero, yun nga, parang yung isip ko, wala sa party mood. Wala sa party mood para kasi mag-e-exam pa ako ng 12. Usually, kung wala akong ganun, diba? Siyempre, gigising maaga, magre-review pa ulit ako, mag-aral ako, tapos aalis ako ng mga 10:30, 11, para maaga pa tayo dadating sa school at hindi tayo stress. Pero since meron kaming ganap, Kaya kailangan yung Sabado-Linggo ko tutok doon sa pag-review sa aking exam sa Monday. And and that day itself then, at 5 o'clock, meron kaming Christmas party, parang na rin, get together ng mga kabatch ko na mga naging kaklase from the first semester, yung section namin. So, yun, looking forward. Kaya, yan. Ay, hindi ko pala napakita yung Christmas tree. Hindi ko kung nalagay na ni Daddy yung light. Kailangan ko rin pala magbalot ng regalo. Ay, hindi ko alam kung nailagay na yung kaninang nakuha ng mga bata. Wait. Ayan. It's up. Nalagay ko doon sa ilalim. Hindi ko na yung babalutin. What?
What is this?
Shoes. Ganyan lang. Ang aming
You already know what it is, buddy.
Tada! Kagabi ko lang natapos. Ayan, yung ginawa nila kanina. Sinabit ko na. See? Tada! Ito yung sa akin. This is mine.
This is not cool at all. Not mine, bro.
Yeah, I already showed.
Wait, look at him. This is Jimmy. He's the coolest.
This is Jimmy. This is Carlos. Ay, ay, ay.
Jimmy and Carlos will go together.
Okay, here, Zeb. Here.
But they have to go near each other.
It's okay.
Dear.
Need to balance. Ay, careful. Okay, so with that said, I'm gonna end the vlog. It was a fun day today, and I'm thankful that my kids were able to experience it, and sana next year ulit. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Good night.